everyone, I am Shubhangi Verurkar. Welcome to all of you in my channel Learning with Joy. And in today's video, we are going to see how we can control the LED or any devices at our home through a Google Assistant app. Okay, so first we will have a demo of it and then let's do it. So we will make our Google Assistant on. Turn on LED.
Okay, turning on LED.
So you people can see that LED get turn on. Okay, so now give instruction for turn off LED.
Turn off LED.
Okay, turning off LED.
So you can see that here LED get turn off. Okay, so this project we are going to implement in today's video, that we are going to control the LED through Google Assistant. If we are having a relay at our place, then we can connect instead of LED any electronic device like your light, fan, to control the device through Google Assistant app. Okay, so right now in today's video we are going to see how we can control the LED through Google Assistant app. So for it, what are the required things? We need one LED light emitting diode, connecting wires, breadboard, and one node MCU. And to do a program, we will need a laptop and mobile phone to control the things through Google Assistant. Okay, so these are the required thing for our today's video. Let's install Blink app on your mobile. Go to Play Store. In Play Store, type Blink, BLYNK, Blink app. This you will see. Okay, so as it is already installed in my mobile, I will not install it again. I will just click on open. But when you install, it will ask you a mail ID. Give your valid mail ID. Then open. Once you open this app, just after that you will get a blank platform. Just click here on a plus symbol. So once you click on a plus symbol, give name here for your project. So LED control. I will give name LED control. Okay, then choose device. We are controlling it through ESP8266, so choose ESP8266. We are having option, number of options are there, so we are choosing ESP8266. We are going to use Wi-Fi connection. Then you are having option theme, that is a light and dark. So here you are using a dark theme. If you want to use light theme, click on light theme and then click on create. Okay, after that this token will be sent to your registered mail ID which you have given while installing Blink app in your mobile. So just click on OK. After that, token will send in your mobile. Now we have to activate your widget. So to control that, just click on a plus button and here you have to check that which widget you want. You are having a number of options here. So what we are going to do, we are going to control LED through button. So just take a button. So I have taken here button. Click on this button. So here we are going to do setting for a button. So here what we are going to do, we are going to control LED control using button. It's your choice what a name you want to give. You can give LED button and all. Then here just click on a pin. We are going to use digital GPIO pin 2. Okay, so just click on it. Okay, here do a setting 1 0. Then here we are having option, that is push button click. Okay, and on and off label. So what we want a label off and we want a label on. So we will keep this label as it is and just go back and click on this play symbol. Once you click on this play symbol, now your code is we can say the ready for your Blink app. Okay, now let's start with coding part. For coding, you people need Arduino IDE, and for Arduino IDE, you people refer a previous video how to do installation and how to do Blink LED. You can watch previous video. Then soft component required for this we can say the project, that is Node MCU ESP8266, LED, jumping wire, smartphone to control LED, and then laptop or PC to do programming. Software required Blink app, Arduino IDE, then IFTT and Google Assistant. Okay, and link required to do this project, as we know that we are going to install Arduino IDE, and to make compatible this Arduino IDE with ESP8266 we need to do a little bit setting. So for it we have to add this link, and to get connected with the URL IFTT and Blink app, so we are having this URL. Okay, so these two links we required. I will share this link in description box. So for it, just copy this link, then open your Arduino IDE. This Arduino IDE is open. Now just go in file, preferences, paste this link here. I have already pasted, so if you want I will remove and paste it again. So just delete and paste that JSON link here and click on OK. Okay, once done with this, then just go in a tools, in tools go to board, in board manager. Okay, in board manager you will get here ESP, click here ESP. Okay, ESP 2.7 version is already installed here. So if here if you choose the updated version ESP 2.73, click it and click on install. It's already there. If you click install, you can see here it's doing installing. So it will take a little bit time in installation. Okay, done. So you can see that here installation is done, installed. Then click on close. Once you click on close, then go to tools. In tools you will see that here now board manager task is done. We have managed the board. So now you can see that in ESP8266 we are getting the board Node MCU Tel ESP. Click on this board. Once you click on this board, then again go to tools. In tools you will get COM port. So choose this COM port. Okay, once you selected this in tools, board and port. Okay, now you have connected your Arduino with your laptop. Okay, now what we have to do, as we are going to control the things to Blink app, so what we need to do, I will open a program here, that is LED control through Blink. Okay, so this is a basic information about it. This is not required. So LED control through Google Assistant. Okay, in this code you will see that what we have defined the Blink print through serial communication, include ESP8266 Wi-Fi library. This we need to include ESP8266. Then include blink simple ESP8266 library. How to include that I will tell you. We need to include it, then only it will get connected. After that, when we have installed on mobile blink app, we got a token. So this token we will get through a mail. This token will present in our mail. We will copy from a mail and paste here. Then we will get SSID. Give your Wi-Fi SSID here and give password here. After that, just give in a word setup at which rate you want to do a serial communication, and begin with your authentication, SSID and password, and control the loop. Okay, so this is a basic code we are having. Before it, we have to check out the things that which library we have to insert. So for that, just go in a sketch, include library. Here you will get option manage library. Okay, in manage library, here just type. Once it get done, you will get option here. Here just type blink, BLYNK, blink. Okay, so here blink ESP8266 I have already installed, so it's asking for update. So you people have to just click here on this button install and it will get done. Okay, so I will not install as I have already done. Done. So now what we have to do, we have to upload this code. Wait, before uploading this code, we need to check out this token. Okay, this token you will get in your mail. Copy this token. Paste, then upload. It's now compiling our sketch. Now you can see that here on a down screen we are getting a message uploading. So once it get uploaded, okay, now you can see that this is done. Okay, uploading is done. Now you people can see that our blink app is ready to control the LED. So what I am going to do, I will make LED on by pressing this button and make LED off by pressing this button. Okay, so here we have connected our LED to Node MCU and we can control the LED from at any place. Okay, so from here I am controlling LED.